Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Roux method. This fundamental technique is essential for creating rich, smooth sauces and gravies in your kitchen. A roux is simply a cooked mixture of fat and flour, acting as a powerful thickening agent. Understanding how to make a proper roux opens up a world of culinary possibilities, from classic bechamel to hearty gumbos. We will cover everything you need to know to master this versatile base, ensuring your dishes have perfect consistency and flavor every time. To begin your roux, the key is a 1-to-1 ratio of fat to flour. You can use unsalted butter, vegetable oil, or even bacon fat, depending on your desired flavor profile. For a standard medium-thick sauce, start with 2 tablespoons of your chosen fat and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This precise measurement is crucial for achieving the correct consistency. This amount will effectively thicken approximately 1 cup of liquid, providing a solid foundation for many delicious recipes. The cooking process for a roux is straightforward but requires attention. First, melt your fat over medium heat in a heavy-bottomed pan. Once melted, gradually whisk in the flour until a smooth, lump-free paste forms. Continue to cook this mixture, stirring constantly to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. The goal is to cook out the raw flour taste and develop the desired color. This constant stirring is vital for a perfectly smooth and flavorful roux. Roux comes in various colors, each with distinct uses and flavors. A white roux, cooked for just 2 to 3 minutes, is light in color and perfect for creamy bechamel sauce. A blonde roux, cooked for 5 to 7 minutes, develops a slightly nutty flavor, ideal for velouté. For a deep, rich flavor, a dark roux cooks for 15 to 20 minutes, becoming the backbone of a robust gumbo. Choose your cooking time based on the dish you are preparing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.